Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Monk. Today we're diving into the world of e-commerce to uncover a popular business model that's been taking the online retail world by storm: dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? In simple terms, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Let's break that down with a quick example. Imagine you have an online store selling trendy sunglasses. When a customer places an order on your site, you don't handle the sunglasses yourself. Instead, you forward the order to a supplier who ships the sunglasses straight to the customer. Voila! You've made a sale without ever touching the product. Now, why do so many people love dropshipping? Here are some key benefits. 1. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront. You only buy products after you've made a sale. 2. Flexibility. Manage your business from anywhere in the world. Just an internet connection required. 3. Wide product range. Offer a diverse selection of products without the need to stock them physically. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too. 1. Lower profit margins. Since you're not buying in bulk, your profit per sale might be lower. 2. Inventory issues. Relying on suppliers means you're at their mercy for stock availability and shipping times. 3. Less control. You have less control over product quality and fulfillment speed. Thinking of giving dropshipping a try? Here are some tips to help you succeed. 1. Choose reliable suppliers. Partner with suppliers who are known for their reliability and quality. 2. Focus on marketing. Since you're not handling the product, put your energy into marketing and customer service. 3. Keep an eye on trends. Stay updated with market trends to offer products that people want. That's a wrap on dropshipping. It's a powerful model with plenty of potential, but like any business, it comes with its own set of challenges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of e-commerce. Got questions about dropshipping or other business models? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.